Hey everyone, we have a Discord channel. I'll leave the link down in the description. We are going to be doing giveaways on the Discord channel directly. Um, Once we see, well, I say 25 active people in there chatting, we're going to start doing little giveaways. If you have an automotive question, feel free to ask it in there. If you have a tool question, feel free to ask it in there. Tool recommendation, go for it. The Discord channel is for you guys to learn, or for me to learn, or just to hang out and have fun. Uh, it's free to join. It doesn't cost you anything, and this is a chat room. We will be setting up some YouTube links in there, where certain YouTubers that we have added to our list will, when they post a video, it automatically getting posted in the Discord, just because sometimes YouTube does not like to notify people. But so we'll have it set up a little bot in there in one of these stream channels. I'm not too sure what it is, and that way you get your notifications. And it's not going to be just any and every YouTube channel that does automotive or tool repair or tool reviews. It's going to be handpicked. Mine, Jeff's Adventures Garage, and a few other channels out there. And some of these channels are small channels or just starting out, and I think it'd be pretty cool. But like I said, join the Discord channel, hang out. We have a voice chat room if you like to talk in voice. We got text chats also. Have a great day, folks.